Hello, Christy. So this is what it's doing. If I try to turn on, like, say, the light, oh, that's the fan. So the fan works, and then if I do the light works. But if I try to, say, do popcorn and hit start, it says it's microwaving, and the light's on. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it doesn't do anything. And lights on in here. If I try and just do like a 30-second cook, same thing, lights up, makes a click, does microwave, counts down, but it's not actually working. I've tried several different things, and that's what I know.